Testing 1 2, testing 1 2, testing. I hope my sound is okay. Yes, my system is very okay, very fine. Nice. Good afternoon, everyone. So today is on Friday. Yes, on Friday. Today is the time we are expecting in less than 1 hour. In the next 1 hour, we are going to wait for the PMI data to be printed over there, and either it's just going to cause the volatility in the market, and that is going to be very interesting over there. So last week we ended a very nice analysis that we ran for the weekly analysis that we actually do, and we saw a lot of things that affected the market, how the market was moving. The market actually moved in a very good way, and we made some pips over there saying the market will just go to this, and actually it obeyed everything that we just talking about. That is what I just want to check right over here today. For example, let's say about the Euro USD. We were talking about this place here, so we are talking about this place around that area where we talking about this entry of the sell, and the market actually went this way. Now the only problem happened over here is that the market did not touch the downward trend lines over here. The market didn't touch this way to come up and break this one as we expected. But it seems it's the same thing. The moment actually it just went down like that, then the second round, you can see now it is the time that actually it just broke this area, and now we can see our trend line has just been broken up. Okay, that's interesting. And when we just check on GBP USD right here, we can see that is why we are talking about the buy, and this is the market has just been reaching this way, but we are talking about the buying point on this area around here, and we have all these good moves over here, the pips that we generated right over there, and this just sounds very interesting. That's good amount of money over there. We checked something else, which is the US oil, and we were talking about where the price actually could come and hit 82, and actually it turned 82, and now it's just reversing back. Actually it was here, not there, it's here. We are talking about here, and then come here and then go this way. So if you can just watch that review, that is what the market did, and still we are waiting maybe for this to break out now, because already our point is already broken, and our points already broken, so we can expect further upward for the US oil because now it's just been broken already. That is the mark over here that we just were talking about in our previous weekly analysis. That is the market outlook on Monday, and that's how interesting it was. So you can see how the market has just been doing amazing the way we analyzed on Monday. After saying it was here, the price was here, remember we said it will come to 82 and then further go upward and break, and exactly that's how the market did over there. So we were talking about still the gold, and we were talking about buying at this place. That is on Monday. We are talking about the gold buying at this place, that is buying around this area. So if you just watch that video, you see our buying point is actually across this area, and the buy and it actually went up. But the same thing we actually did right over here, and that is interesting over here. So you can see our Monday weekly outlook just standing out to be exact what we have just been aiming to the market. You can see we are here, and then the market just moved up and over here, and what I expect apart from the news that is coming in the next 1 hour, that is 3:30, we can see the market may actually come this way, because the news that I'm expecting is actually the news that I'm going to strengthen the dollar. Is like this news is just going to, in case it actually print more than what we expect in the next 1 hour, we can see further downward to the gold. But in case things turn out than expected, or maybe things becomes neutral, then at the end maybe of start of the week, the next week we will be seeing where it actually be moving towards this direction, towards 1930. But that's interesting. Now the other thing we were talking about over here, after checking US oil, gold and all that, we went further and checked the Ethereum, that is the Bitcoin, the cryptocurrency, and still we're in this move. You can see our buying point was across this area. This is where we were buying at, across this area, and you can see the market is actually doing perfectly well, and there's nothing to complain over there. So the market is actually moving so good over there. So that is the Ethereum. We check the Bitcoin. If you're actually buying Ethereum, we're saying you just actually, you can even buy the Bitcoin. Ethereum you can just buy in case of that. We were talking about the USD JPY, USD JPY, and actually this is the move that we are talking about here. So you can see over here we expected two things to happen into the market, since the market actually was neutral around this area. And as you can see over here, we have this region over here, but the market chose to go up. And the reason actually it reversed when it came over here is actually because of possibilities for the double top around this area. And that's why you can see the moment the market hit and this, then the market is actually trying to reverse back. But remember, that is just 1 hour. Let me just check on 4-hour time frame so that you can see that well. So there is always a possibility the market will try to reverse around that area, but you remember the highest point will be waiting in case the market moves this week, next week over there, in case it crosses this one. But remember, for this one, the market will actually try now to come to our point here, which is around 143, around 143.5. before now it tries to break this one again. So we have the possibilities of this coming up this way and then try to come let me just show you, try to break this way. Okay, so that is what we can just expect on the USD JPY rate over there, and that is what we were talking about last the start of Monday. And now, as you can see, the market is just doing the same thing the way we were expecting. Don't forget to be joining our monthly Monday market outlook on Monday, every Monday, and it is just going to be helping you so much. See you next time.